Gabe Newell thinks Xbox Series X is better than PS5. I don't know if you saw this story, Will, but people, obviously Gabe Newell is like a legend, a Valve legend. Everybody knows what he says goes, just period.
Yeah.
And he's been trapped in New Zealand because of lockdown stuff. He's actually going to have he's putting on a sort of a concert.
Oh, is he?
I don't know if it's a charity event, but he's putting on a concert. He's paying for some kind of an event in order to show his appreciation for the hospitality in New Zealand. Since he can't get out of there because of the lockdown, it was unintentional. Anyways, he did an interview while he's there. He's trying to fill his time, do a few things. And of course, they had to ask him about his feelings on the console wars here, which are heating up. And he made news because he said, yeah, the Xbox Series X is better. And they asked him why. And he said, oh, you can leave it. Yeah, roll the clip.
Really? Why? Oh, because it's coming out with new console.
Here we go.
Oh, the Xbox? Really? Why? Oh, because it is.
Oh!
It's just a matter of fact. Wow.
Have a stake in that race. So obviously we do most of our development on personal computers. So, but of the two, I would definitely go with an Xbox.
Gabe, what do you say to your family back home?
Wow. So it doesn't seem to matter. That's enough for some people because it is. If Gabe says it is, then it is. As far as some people are concerned, they go into a bit more depth here about the spec sheet and on paper and things like this, which I don't know how that matters or how much that matters to some users. I think probably exclusive titles might be more important, or whatever a person is used to or where they've spent their money in the past. We've talked about the back catalog, which games are going to be compatible going forward if you like playing old games. I think in his case, it's a little weird or hard to untangle only because his thing is Valve. So he's on the PC side. And of course, the majority of his customers are already running a Microsoft product in the form of Windows. And so there seems to be a little bit more potential crossover there. If you're a PC guy, if you're really into PC gaming, there's something about the Microsoft branding that just might be a little bit comfier, knowing that they're also invested in the PC world as well. I don't know. Maybe that's a loose connection, but it's something that came to my mind in looking at this. If you think about a Sony exclusive, it's going to just be on PlayStation. It'll never show up on PC, right? Like any of the Uncharted stuff or The Last of Us or whatever it is. The Last of Us is exclusive?
It is, yes.
Yeah, any of that.
God of War.
Okay, yeah. I don't know. I don't have them all off the top here, but there just seems to be a little less crossover there. And maybe that had something to do, but with his answer, we'll never know because he just said, because it is, which is also sort of a gangster response. I don't have to explain. I'm Gabe Newell. I don't have to explain.